Cherry Blossom Symposium, which has led the clinical laboratory automation in Asia for 20 years, will lead the paradigm of laboratory medicine in Asia. In April 1998, the first Cherry Blossom Symposium was held to improve the efficiency and quality of laboratory medicine through laboratory automation systems in Japan, and marked the beginning as a leader in this field. Thanks to the inspiration of Professor Masahide Sasaki, the father of Japanese robotics in laboratory medicine, CBS was established by some 300 Japanese and Korean experts in the field of laboratory medicine to share and lead the world with innovative ideas for clinical laboratory automation. As a world pioneer in lab automation, the late Sasaki was the first to implement an extensive conveyor belt and robotic system in his entire lab, automating most pre- and post-analytical steps in 1984. He used existing analytic instrumentation, but rearranged the physical positioning in the laboratory and developed conveyance and robotic systems. He linked instrument stations with conveyor belts and overhead tracks to move samples. Laboratory computers controlled all of the activities. He was compelled to develop a highly automated laboratory because he did not have a budget for adequate personnel to support a facility in a busy healthcare institution. Held biannually in April, when cherry blossoms come into full bloom, CBS members convene at the symposium under the theme of clinical laboratory automation to engage in lively discussion about their academic achievements and promote their precious friendships. As the symposium has progressed, CBS has drawn Asians with increasing interest in clinical laboratory automation, which had been mainly led by the US and EU. This effort would not have been possible without the full support of our long-term partners, such as Sysmex, A&T, and Technomedica. CBS took its first step towards promoting the development in laboratory automation systems outside of Japan by holding the 5th symposium in Korea. The Sasaki Award Fund was introduced at the 5th Cherry Blossom Symposium to honor outstanding scientific performance and achievements and to foster the field of laboratory automation. CBS has become one of the most influential symposiums in clinical laboratory automation in Asia, with active member participation and lively academic exchange. The last symposium held in Yokohama was successful in that many experts from various fields joined us to share their experience and knowledge. CBS is now ready to take its place in the world of laboratory medicine beyond Korea and Japan, and even beyond Asia. Cherry Blossom Symposium in 2016 will unveil a new research model for laboratory medicine in Asia. At this conference, experts from all over the world will gather to discuss up-to-date achievements and global trends in clinical laboratory automation and enhance our research to a new world-class standard. Many in vitro diagnostics companies support the symposium and exhibit their latest laboratory automation systems. CBS planted a small seed for laboratory automation in 1998 in Asia. CBS has evolved over the last 20 years, and now it is growing throughout Asia and throughout the world. CBS will propose a new paradigm for clinical laboratory automation in Asia. You are the ones who will lead the clinical laboratory automation of tomorrow and build a brighter future for laboratory medicine.